morning, children. Welcome to today's class of mathematics. So, in our earlier class, we have already completed exercise 8.1. In today's class, we will be starting a new exercise, which is exercise 8.2, which deals all about addition and subtraction of metric measures. So, let's get started. So this is the exercise 8.2. First question is do as directed, where we have to add and subtract the given measurements, and next are few word problems. हम सारे questions solve नहीं करने वाले हैं. We will discuss the questions pattern wise. So let's solve these questions on the board. This is the first question. Add this many liters, milliliters, and 3 kiloliter, 30 liter, 50 ml. So now what you can see, there are various units. यहाँ पे लीटर और मिलीलीटर given है. यहाँ लीटर मिलीलीटर के अलावा एक और यूनिट given है, that is kiloliter. That means in this question we have three kinds of units, three different units. So we will make three different columns for these units, right? Now, first column is kiloliter. So kiloliter we will place it accordingly. We will place 3 just below this kiloliter. Next 30. So ये एक साथ आएगा ये पूरा statement. So 30 liter and 50 milliliter. Done. 3 kiloliter, 30 liter, 50 milliliter. Next, in the next line, this statement will come. So 24 liters. That means this place will be vacant. 24 liters, 42 milliliters. So 42 milliliters. And next we will add, because here it is written that we need to add. So 0 and 2, 2, 5 and 4, 9, 0 and 4, 4, 3 and 2, 5, 3 and 0 is 3. So what is the answer? The answer is 3 kiloliter, 54 liters and 92 milliliters. Now let's discuss this one. Subtract 3650 ml from 7 liter and 5000 ml. So now let's look here. 3650 ml का मतलब क्या होता है? It clearly means 1000 ml is equal to 1 liter. So 3650 ml का मतलब होता है 3000 ml plus 650 ml, right? So 3000 ml means 3L and 650 ml, right? So now we have to subtract this from this. यानी ये बड़ा है. So we will make two columns. Liter, milliliter is here. Here also we have liter and milliliter. So two columns, liter and milliliter. First statement, this is the greater one. So this will come 7 liter 500 ml आ जाएगा. Next one is 3 liter 650 ml. So 3 liters and 650 ml. Now you will say, ma'am, 500 से 650 कैसे जाएगा? But we can take borrow, right? So we will do that way. हमें किसको देखना है? हायर यूनिट को कंपेयर करना है. यहाँ 7 है और यहाँ 3L है, तो कौन सा बड़ा होगा? Obviously 7 liters will be more. That means this is greater. इसको हमें कंपेयर बाद में करना है, इसे पहले कंपेयर करना है. Fine. So 0 minus 0 is 0. We cannot subtract 5 from 0. So this will be 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5. Now 4 minus 6 is not possible. So this will be 6 and this will be 14. 14 minus 6 is 8. 6 minus 3 is 3. So what is the final answer? The final answer is 3 liters and 850 milliliters. So children, we are done with question number 1. Now let us discuss the word problems given in this exercise. Now we have question number 2, which says that from a can containing 10 liters of milk, Mrs. Menon used 3.8 liters in the morning and 2.3 liters in the evening. So how many hectoliters of milk is left in the can? So total कितना मिल्क है? 10 liters. मॉर्निंग में 3.8 यूज हो गया और इवनिंग में 2.3. So 3.8 plus 2.3 is equal to 6.1. करेक्ट. तो 6.1 लीटर्स मिल्क यूज हो गया. तो अब कितना लेफ्ट है? तो 10 लीटर्स से हमें किसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है? 6.1 लीटर्स को. सो वी विल बी गेटिंग अराउंड 3.9 liters of milk is left. But you have to write down this quantity in hectoliters. So you know how to convert from liters to hectoliters. So आप उसी चीज को यूज करके इसको सॉल्व कर सकते हो. Now we have the next question, which is question number 3. 28.5 kg of rice, 18.3 kg of pulses, and 12.7 kg of wheat are sold in a grocery store. Find the total weight of all the three items. So you are going to add them up, and finally your answer should be in hectograms. So यहाँ भी वही है, किलोग्राम को आपको किस में कन्वर्ट करना है, हेक्टोग्राम्स में. So what you have to do, just you have to add all of them and you will get around 59.5 kg as your answer. और kg को जब हमें हेक्टोग्राम में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा, so we need to multiply by 10, right? और 10 से जब हम मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, so we will get the answer. Fine children, now let us look at the next word problem. Now next question number 4 says that a snail traveled 3 meter 25 centimeter on one day and 1 meter 75 centimeter on the second day. So how far did the snail travel? Very easy. One day the snail traveled 3 meter 25 centimeter. So you have to prepare two columns, meter and centimeter, और आपको इन दोनों को ऐड करना है. So you will get your answer around 5 meters. There won't be any centimeters. You will get only 5 meters, and that will be your answer. Now, next is question number 5. A worm, while climbing up a high wall, went up by 13 meter but slipped back by 3 meter 35 centimeter. How far had the worm reached? So we will be solving this question on the board. So the worm climbed up a high wall, went up by 13 meter. So एक worm एक wall पे climb कर रहा था, तो पहले वो ऊपर कितना गया, 13 मीटर. So वो ऊपर जाने के बाद, यहाँ पर आने के बाद, ये ग्राउंड है, यहाँ से ऊपर गया 13 मीटर तक. वर्म आफ्टर क्लाइंबिंग अप स्लिप्ड बाय, तो वो स्लिप हो गया, तो वो नीचे आएगा ऑब्वियसली. तो वो कितना नीचे आ गया, 3 मीटर 35 सेंटीमीटर पे वो आ गया. सो द क्वेश्चन इज आस्किंग दैट हाउ फार डिड द स्नेल ट्रेवल. तो वो कुछ आगे गया था, पर कुछ वो वापस आ गया. तो वो पहले के कंपैरिजन में कितना दूर तक पहुंच गया, एटलीस्ट यहाँ से जब उसने शुरू किया था तो यहाँ तक पहुंच के फिर उसको वापस वो आ गया, स्लिप हो गया था. तो फाइनली यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक वो कितना पहुंच गया. सो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, फ्रॉम दिस होल डिस्टेंस इफ वी सब्ट्रैक्ट द स्लिपिंग ओवर पोर्शन, वी कैन इजीली नो द आंसर. सो दैट इज व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू. So the distance covered by worm will be equals to 13 meter minus 3 meter 35 centimeter. So we can see clearly that there are two units. So we will make two columns. So we can now subtract 5 from 0. So 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 3 is 6, 12 minus 3 is 9. So the final answer will be the worm covered a distance of 9 meter and 65 centimeter. So we are done with question number 5. Now let's look at the next question. Next question says Shalini's weight is 3500 grams greater than her brother. शालिनी का जो वेट है वो उसके ब्रदर से कितना ज्यादा है, 3500 ग्राम ज्यादा है. The weight of her brother is 35 kg. So find Shalini's weight. यानी हमें ब्रदर के वेट में कितना ऐड करना पड़ेगा, 3500 ग्राम्स और ऐड करना पड़ेगा, तभी तो शालिनी का वेट होगा. So we will be adding. So now you can see that 3500 grams means 3 kg 500 gram. So that means Shalini's weight will be 35 kg के साथ 3 kg ऐड करेंगे तो 38 kg हो जाएगा. And the final answer of Shalini's weight will be 38 kg and 500 grams. Now let's look at the next question, which is question number 7. Sumit used 2500 ml of water for bathing. If the total water in the bucket was 6 liter 200 milliliter, then find the water left in the bucket after bathing. So नहाने के बाद कितना water left रहा? So what was the total amount of water in the bucket? 6 liter 200 milliliter. और कितना use कर लिया सुमित ने? 2500 milliliter यानी 2 liters and 500 ml. So now हमें क्या करना होगा? We have to subtract the water used from the total water in the bucket. That means 6 liter and 200 ml में से हमें 2 liter 500 ml को subtract करना होगा and we will get 3 liter 700 milliliter as the answer. Next I am going to attach the solutions of the word problems into which you can look at, and it will be beneficial for your solving of the questions. Of the word problems given in the exercise, so you can pause this, ये वाला पोर्शन आप पॉज करके सॉल्यूशंस इसमें से आप लिख सकते हो. फाइन चिल्ड्रन, नाउ विद दिस वी हैव एंडेड द एक्सरसाइज 8.2. लेट्स लुक एट एक्सरसाइज 8.3. so this is the exercise 8.3. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज डू एज डायरेक्टेड. सो यहाँ भी हम चारों क्वेश्चंस नहीं करने वाले हैं. वी विल डू वन multiplication problem and one division problem followed by the word problems. So let's do this first one. Now 60 kg and 240 grams can also be written as 60.240 kg, right? So now let's solve this one. So we will divide this by 12. So हमें पता है पहले हम 12 की टेबल में 6 तो आएगा नहीं, तो वी हैव टू टेक 60. सो 12 5 is 60. तो होल नंबर पार्ट हमने ऑलरेडी डिवाइड कर लिया है. सो वी कैन पुट अ डेसिमल ओवर हियर, राइट? क्योंकि अब हमारा क्या आएगा? डेसिमल पार्ट आएगा. सो 12 की टेबल में 2 नहीं आता, 0 आता है. 12 2s are 24. This 0 will come. So again 12 zeros are 0. So finally the answer that we have is 5.020, which is equal to 5.020 kg, right? So what will be the answer? The answer will be 5 kg and 20 grams. Fine children. Now let's solve this one. 15 liters 200 ml we have to multiply by 17. So no problem, two columns will be there. 15 liter will come under the L column and 200 will come under the milliliter column. We have to multiply. 7 zeros are 0, 7 zeros are 0, 7 twos are 14, 4 carry 1, 7 fives are 35 and 1 36, 6 carry 3, 7 ones are 7 and 3 10. Cross 0 0, 1 twos are 2, 1 fives are 5, 1 ones are 1 plus 0 0 4 8 5 and 2. So what is the answer? The answer is 258 liters and 400 milliliters. Fine children. So this is the answer, and with this we have completed question number 1. Now let's look at the word problems. Next we have question number 2, which says that a pen can hold 10 milliliters of ink. So how many liters of ink is needed to fill in 128 pens? So one thing that you have to note here is that यहाँ पे जो दिया हुआ है वो ml में दिया हुआ है, और यहाँ से हमसे जो रिक्वायरमेंट हो रही है वो किस में है? लीटर्स में है. So now what we have to do? We will just multiply, right? We will multiply what? We need, obviously 1 की वैल्यू गिवन है, बहुत सारी की वैल्यू निकालनी होती है, तो क्या करना पड़ता है? We have to multiply, right? So that is what we have to do in this question also. 1 pen can hold 10 milliliter of ink. So 128 we have to multiply and then we have to convert into liters. Fine, children. Now the next word problem is that Rima bought 2 kg of mango pulp and added 1 kg of sugar to make jam. यानी total कितना हो गया? 3 kg हो गया. If the jam is filled into bottles, each of capacity 300 grams, then how many bottles would be filled? So we will be solving this question on the board. So the total quantity of jam will be 2 kg of mango pulp plus 1 kg of sugar. So what is the total quantity? Total quantity 2 kg plus 1 kg is equal to 3 kg. So 3 kg jam हमने बना लिया है और हमें इस जैम को फिल करना है बॉटल्स में. हर बॉटल की कैपेसिटी कितनी है? 300 ग्राम्स. So capacity of each bottle is equal to 300 grams. Fine. Now, so total quantity is 3 kg और हर एक बॉटल की कैपेसिटी 300 ग्राम्स है. तो हमें क्या निकालना है? नंबर ऑफ बॉटल्स. सो नंबर ऑफ बॉटल्स इज इक्वल टू 3 kg डिवाइडेड बाई 300 ग्राम्स. ठीक है, और 3 kg को 300 ग्राम से तो डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि दोनों अलग अलग यूनिट है. सो वी नीड टू कन्वर्ट दिस kg इनटू ग्राम्स. सो 3 kg इज इक्वल टू 3000 grams. So 3000 grams divided by 300 grams. So what is the answer? The answer is 10. So how many bottles are there? 10 bottles. Fine, children. So we are done with question number 3. Now let's look at the next word problem. So we have question number 4, which says that if you run around a circular park once, you will cover 21.32 meters. How many kilometers will you cover if you run around the park 18 times? So it's very easy. Once की value क्या है? 12.32. 18 की value क्या होगी? 12.32 meters multiplied by 18. But you have to express your answer in kilometers. Fine. Next is question number 5. 10 cauliflowers weigh 12.78 kg. What is the weight of one cauliflower in grams? So 10 का weight दिया हुआ है 12.78. 1 का weight हम निकाल सकते हैं by dividing by 10. So it will be equal to 1.278 grams. Sorry, 1.278 kg, and then you have to convert this weight into grams. So next time attaching you the solution for these word problems, you can take help. ये नहीं आपको सोचना है कि मैम ने नहीं करवाया तो हमें नहीं करना है. These questions which I have not done on the board is for your practice, and I am explaining each and every question, so you have to do all of them. Children, that's the end of today's video. Complete all the questions discussed in today's class in your maths notebook. So thank you and bye-bye.